Screen Studio versus ScreenFlow. Which screen recording tool wins? Choosing the right screen recording tool can completely change how you capture and edit videos without wasting time or dealing with complicated software. Here's a quick look at both Screen Studio and ScreenFlow. Screen Studio and ScreenFlow are two popular screen recording tools designed for creators and professionals. The core difference lies in Screen Studio's focus on simplicity and real-time streaming, while ScreenFlow offers advanced editing and post-production capabilities. Screen Studio is a versatile screen recording and live streaming application designed to simplify content creation. It enables users to capture their screen, webcam, and audio simultaneously, making it ideal for tutorials, game streams, and presentations. The software works by integrating recording and streaming features into one platform, allowing for seamless switching between recording modes. One of its strengths is the intuitive interface that requires minimal setup, perfect for users who want quick results without a steep learning curve. Screen Studio supports multiple output formats and offers basic editing tools, but it lacks the depth of advanced post-production features. Limitations include fewer options for detailed video editing and effects compared to more complex software. Screen Studio is best suited for creators who prioritize ease of use and live streaming capabilities over extensive editing, such as educators, gamers, and casual content producers. ScreenFlow is a professional-grade screen recording and video editing software tailored for Mac users. It captures high-quality screen footage, webcam input, and audio, while providing a powerful built-in editor. This editor allows users to trim clips, add transitions, annotations, and apply advanced effects, making it ideal for polished tutorials, marketing videos, and presentations. ScreenFlow operates by recording in high resolution and then offering a timeline-based editing environment to refine content precisely. Its strengths include a comprehensive feature set, smooth workflow, and support for multi-track editing. However, it requires more time to learn and can be resource-intensive on older machines. ScreenFlow is perfect for users who need detailed control over video production and editing, such as professional educators, marketers, and content creators aiming for high-quality output. Comparing Screen Studio and ScreenFlow highlights a trade-off between simplicity and power. Screen Studio excels in quick setup and live streaming, making it ideal for users needing fast, straightforward recording with minimal editing. In contrast, ScreenFlow offers advanced editing tools that enable professional-level video refinement but demands more time and system resources. For example, a gamer streaming live would benefit from Screen Studio's ease and streaming integration, while a marketing professional producing polished tutorial videos would prefer ScreenFlow's editing capabilities. Both support screen and webcam capture, but ScreenFlow's multi-track timeline and effects provide greater creative flexibility. Choosing between them depends on whether speed in streaming or detailed editing and high production value are your priorities. Choose Screen Studio if you want a simple, efficient tool for live streaming and quick screen captures without the need for complex editing features. Opt for ScreenFlow if you require advanced editing and professional video production capabilities on Mac. Its robust tools help create polished content suited for marketing, education, and detailed presentations. Both tools are strong, but your choice depends on your workflow and output.